This is K-Dog. I got called out by my homie, Texas boy, for this cold water challenge, and I'm about to do this thing. As you can see, it has ice in it, so it's cold. The three people I'm gonna call out is Sideways from Lucky 7-Eleven, Huntsville, Playboy from Dirty, Huntsville, and my boy Cube from True Riders, Huntsville. I'm about to do this, so y'all got to do this. And y'all got 24 hours to do it, or $100 to my charity of choice, which is the American Cancer Society. Let's do this.